Hi there, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to delete your Coursera account. What happens to your data? The thought of deleting your Coursera account might seem daunting, especially if you're concerned about your data and the consequences of removing your account. Whether you've completed your learning journey, want to safeguard your personal information, or simply need to take a break, understanding the implications and the steps involved is crucial. Sit tight as we explore this process in detail. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to permanently delete your Coursera account. Remember, this action is irreversible, so be sure it's the right choice for you. First, head over to the Coursera homepage and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, locate the profile icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select the Settings option. This will direct you to the Settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Scroll down the Settings page until you reach the section labeled Delete Account. Coursera will provide a warning here, highlighting the irreversible nature of this action. It's important to understand that any certificates you have earned will be permanently erased, so consider downloading them if you haven't already. Moreover, if you have an ongoing subscription, be sure to cancel it beforehand to prevent any unexpected charges after your account is gone. If your Coursera account is connected to any third-party accounts such as Google, Facebook, or Apple, you must unlink them before proceeding. To do this, scroll back up to the section labeled Linked Accounts, and click on Unlink next to each account you have connected. This step is crucial to ensure a smooth deletion process. Once you have unlinked your accounts, return to the Delete Account section. Before you can proceed with the final deletion, Coursera requires you to check 3 confirmation boxes. These boxes serve as an acknowledgement that you understand the consequences of deleting your account, including the loss of all your data and certificates. After confirming, scroll down to the password field. Enter your account password to verify your identity. This step is essential to ensure that only you can authorize the deletion of your account, protecting you from unauthorized actions. Once you've entered your password, click on the Delete Account button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your account has been successfully deleted. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Coursera account and what happens to your data in the process. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to delete your Coursera account, what happens to your data. Don't forget to subscribe to PMN Online for more tutorials and tips like this.